Hello ma'am, which editorials should I check out today?
Yes, absolutely. There are two very important editorials in the Hindu newspaper today which are very important and relevant for UPSC examination perspective. Come, let's have a look. Now, the first editorial is fine-tune the AI labeling regulations framework. Now, the article discusses the draft AI labeling regulations proposed by India's Ministry of Electronics and IT, which aims to ensure accountability and transparency in synthetic media, which is artificial intelligence generated content. The draft mandates clear labeling of AI generated visuals and AI generated media and audio videos required 10% of visual area or 10% again of the duration for labels in purely synthetic content. However, the rules for mixed media, real visuals altered with AI remain very vague. Now, this article is written by Rakesh R. Dubuddu and Rajneel R. Kamath. And in this article, the experts argue that while precision and labeling are important, over-regulation might stifle creativity and innovation as well. And the article suggests that there's a need for a graded, practical framework. It also highlights the importance of verification mechanisms, watermarking, and disclaimers to protect audiences from deepfakes and misinformation. Now, let's talk about the UPSC relevance. It is very, very important for GS Paper 2, which is governance, policy making, and regulation frameworks in digital governance. And then GS Paper 3, again, it is very important for science and tech perspective, ethical and legal issues in artificial intelligence and emerging tech. And then lastly, GS Paper 4, it is very important, which is ethics, transparency, responsibility, and truthfulness in technology use and ethical challenges of AI. Then let's talk about the second editorial, which is 3 out of 4 Indians believe climate change is affecting them. A recent Pew Research Center survey across 24 countries, including India, Argentina, Brazil, Kenya, Mexico, etc., revealed that 75% of Indians believe climate change is currently affecting their lives, and around 80% of Indians expressed willingness to change their lifestyle to reduce climate change impact, one of the highest level of willingness among surveyed nations. However, India's concern about climate change is a major issue, which has fallen to 26% compared to higher concern levels in Latin American and American nations. Younger Indians ages 18 to 39 were more aware and willing to act compared to older groups. Now, this again article is very relevant for GS Paper 1, which is Geography, Impact of Climate Change on Human Life and Environment. Then GS Paper 3, it is very important, Environment and Ecology, Public Perception and Behavioral Change in Combating Climate Change. And GS Paper 2, it is very important, which is Governance and International Relations, Cooperation for Global Climate Action, Paris Agreement, UNFCCC. And then lastly, GS Paper 4, it is very important, which is Ethics, Environmental Ethics and Sustainable Lifestyles have been discussed. So again, it is very important. And if you want a deeper analysis of these editorials, do watch our DNA video. That is it for today. I will see you in another video. Thank you for watching.